A financial crisis.
We've missed 3 months of paychecks with no end in sight.
Is hitting hard for 40 Sacramento defense attorneys who are part of the Criminal Justice Act panel, CJA, and who represent federal defendants who can't afford legal counsel. But federal funding for court-appointed lawyers dried up in July. Their compensation comes from money approved by Congress, and until new funding is authorized, payments are frozen.
We expected once they got a new budget in October, we would be paid all that back pay. But now that the government's shut down, there's no payments.
It's not just attorneys. Support staff like investigators and paralegals are also going unpaid. Earlier this month, $8.5 million was released to the panel attorney fund, allowing partial payments. Attorney Mark Reichel says he receives roughly 10% of what he's owed. Most panel attorneys work in small firms or solo practice, and the question now is, how much longer can they hold?
There's some attorneys that are talking about, not going forward and asking to be removed, asking to get out of the case. And the question becomes, who will they find to replace us? Who's qualified to replace us?
For defendants, this unpaid stretch threatens their constitutional right to legal counsel.
We have a Constitution, and the Constitution ensures that the accused are entitled to counsel, and we are slowly eroding all of these rights that we all believe and expect to be upheld.
And if panel attorneys start backing out, criminal cases could stall.
I won't take any more cases until I'm guaranteed that I will be paid.
Marisela de la Cruz, KCRA-TV News.
CJA attorneys are assigned 40% of all criminal cases in the country. And according to the U.S. courts, this work cannot simply be turned over to federal defender organizations because those offices are already understaffed. We reached out to the agency for comment. They only referred us to a media release about how this shutdown will impact court operations.